Alright, let's talk about something incredibly urgent. Just a little while back, I chatted with a good friend of mine who runs a prominent recruitment agency specializing in technology. He was absolutely flummoxed. Why? Because he had business willing to pay over $160,000 annually for individuals with what he termed fundamental AI literacy. And despite the attractive compensation, he couldn't fill those roles. That experience crystallized a critical point for me. There's an enormous chasm between the AI capabilities employers are actively seeking and what the general workforce currently possesses. And here's the truly eye opening part that you don't need to write any code whatsoever to seize this incredible career opportunity. So, forget about needing a PhD or a computer science degree or any specific technical background because companies aren't searching for academic geniuses or coding wizards. They simply need competent individuals who understand how to effectively operate existing AI tools. So, I am going to make a bold prediction. Within the next 15 to 20 months, being proficient with AI will be as fundamental as knowing how to use a spreadsheet program like Excel. The significant difference, however, is that while almost everyone is comfortable with Excel, a tiny fraction of the population genuinely knows how to leverage AI tools properly, and companies are in a frantic search for those few who do. I recently spoke with someone who secured a fully remote position, earning well over $110,000 just by demonstrating three of the AI competencies that I'm about to reveal to you today. They weren't even an expert, they simply had practical skills that can be acquired in a matter of weeks. So, why does the significant skills gap exist and why is it expanding so rapidly? So, there are three primary reasons for this. First, accelerated technological pace. So, artificial intelligence is evolving at such an astonishing speed that traditional educational frameworks simply cannot keep pace. Academic institutions, they are often teaching concepts that were considered cutting edge 3 to 5 years ago, which in the context of AI is practically ancient history. The coding misconception. Now, there's a widespread misbelief that engaging with AI inherently means that you must be a coding prodigy. So, this is akin to suggesting that you need to be an automotive engineer to drive a car. For most AI applications, it's simply not true. Then comes discrete learning and earning. So, many individuals who are acquiring these highly lucrative AI skills, they are currently benefiting immensely and they are intentionally keeping a low profile about it. So, they prefer to avoid unnecessary competition, and frankly, who can blame them? So, this leads us to an important distinction in the world of AI professionals. You have AI builders and AI users. Now, AI builders are the engineers and computer scientists who are responsible for designing and also training the actual AI models. Yes, these roles typically do require coding expertise. But here's the crucial insight that often goes unmentioned. For every single AI builder, businesses require potentially 50 or more AI users. Now, AI users, they are individuals who possess the knowledge to deploy existing AI tools effectively to solve tangible business challenges. So, this is precisely where the monumental opportunity lies right now. Let me now unveil precisely what these in demand, no coding required AI skills are and why employers are struggling to find enough qualified candidates who possess them. So, let's talk about prompt engineering. Essentially, this is the art of knowing how to communicate with AI in a precise manner to elicit the most optimal results. Basically, it's the difference between asking a vague question and posing a highly specific one that yields invaluable, actionable information. So, companies they are actually desperate for prompt engineers because they have invested substantial capital, often millions, into AI tools only to receive subpar outcomes because their workforce lacks the proficiency to use them correctly. I have observed job listings specifically for prompt engineers starting at $90,000, focusing solely on crafting effective prompts for various departments. Now, AI tool integration. So, this skill revolves around understanding how to link multiple AI tools together to create a powerful automated workflows. So, while many individuals might know how to use a single AI tool adequately, very few possess the ability to make them seamlessly interact. So, just imagine a scenario, where you use an AI to transcribe and summarize customer calls. You then connect this AI's output with another tool like Zapier, which automatically feeds the summaries into your CRM CRM system and simultaneously flags urgent issues for your support team. The true value lies not in mastering each individual tool, but in comprehending how they can work in concert to achieve something far more impactful. So, if we talk of job postings for AI workflow specialists and AI integration consultants, they are showing salaries ranging from $1 lakh to $1,50,000 annually. Crucially, this requires no coding, just a solid grasp of various AI tools and the methods to enable their communication. Now, if we talk of AI enhanced data analysis, so this isn't about transforming into a traditional data scientist or analyst. It's about leveraging AI to interpret complex data without needing an extensive technical background. It effectively democratizes data analysis. So you can directly query an AI. What are the primary drivers behind recent sales growth, or which product features are most frequently discussed in positive customer reviews, or identify any anomalies in our recent supply chain data that could indicate a bottleneck. So businesses are incredibly eager for people, who can perform this, as it's fundamentally altering operational methodologies. So instead of spending the bulk of their time on data cleaning and organization, professionals can now dedicate their focus to the strategic implications derived from insights. So job listings for AI-driven business analysts and also AI insight specialists, they are showing salaries from around $95,000 to $1,30,000 a year. And this skill is universally applicable across all the sectors, from healthcare and finance to education and manufacturing, as every industry generates data that needs conversion into actionable insights via AI. If we talk of AI content optimization, so this goes beyond merely generating content with AI. It's about strategically employing AI to enhance existing content across all digital platforms. Most companies possess a vast repository of the existing content, from lengthy policy documents to marketing brochures, internal training modules, and social media posts. So, this content often represents substantial investments in time and resources, and much of it may be outdated, underperforming, not optimized for discoverability, or inconsistent in its messaging. If we talk of AI content optimization, specialists, they understand how to take this pre-existing material and refine it using AI to achieve significantly better performance without the need to start from scratch. So this skill uniquely blends AI knowledge with strategic foresight to deliver measurable business outcomes. If we talk of AI assisted problem solving, so this is arguably the most profoundly valuable skill, serving as the connective tissue for all other AI competencies, making you an indispensable asset within any organization. At its core, AI assisted problem solving involves knowing how to frame business challenges in a way that AI can effectively contribute to their resolution. It's about grasping both the capabilities and inherent limitations of AI and discerning precisely when and how to deploy it for real world issues. The capacity to effectively utilize and integrate current AI tools to resolve genuine business challenges represents the most coveted skill set in today's job market. It presents substantial earning potential without the conventional obstacles of coding proficiency or advanced academic degrees. So, these are practical, actionable skills that are accessible to anyone, often learned within a few weeks, and are already enabling individuals to secure high paying remote roles.